Mastering the Basics. The Breaststroke in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of swimming by exploring the term breaststroke. It's not just a swimming style, but a word rich in meaning and usage. Let's make a splash and get started. Breaststroke is one of the 4 primary swimming strokes. It is characterized by a frog-like kick and arm movements that scoop the water. The swimmer's body moves in a wave-like motion, and their head bobs in and out of the water to breathe. It's known for being graceful and efficient. The term breaststroke has been part of the English lexicon for a long time, originating from the way the arms are stretched forward, as if reaching from the breast. It's a compound word, combining breast and stroke. In language, it's often used to describe a methodical and steady approach to an activity. Sometimes, breaststroke is used metaphorically. Saying, "He's doing the breaststroke through his work," might mean someone is proceeding in a steady and rhythmic manner. It's a colorful way to describe persistence and consistent effort in any field. While we avoid phonetic symbols, remember that in breaststroke, the "a" in breast sounds like the "e" in bed, and the "o" in stroke is like the "o" in go. Repeat after me, breaststroke. Now you've got it. And that's our look at the term breaststroke. Whether you're in the pool or using the term in conversation, now you know the depth of its meaning. Keep practicing, and you'll swim through English with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.